In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on Google Chat. If you need to stop receiving messages from a specific person, Google Chat makes that process quick and straightforward. Blocking someone can be useful if you want more privacy, fewer distractions, or simply no longer want to communicate with that contact through chat. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Google Chat and go to your main Google Chat dashboard. This is the home area where you can see your recent conversations, spaces, and direct messages. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account before continuing, especially if you use more than one account for work or personal communication. Once you're on the dashboard, move to the left-hand column and look under your direct messages. Here you'll see the list of one-on-one conversations you've had. Click on the conversation with the person you want to block. This will open the chat thread so you can access that contact's options. After the conversation is open, look toward the top of the chat window. You'll see the contact's email address or name displayed there. Next to it, there should be a small drop-down arrow. Click that arrow to open more options related to this conversation and this contact. From the menu that appears, choose the option for blocking and reporting. This area gives you tools to control how you interact with that person. It's important to pay attention here because Google may offer more than one action depending on the type of account or conversation. When the prompt appears, select block only. This choice blocks the person without sending a report. If your goal is simply to prevent future messages and remove access to direct communication, this is the option you want. Take a second to confirm that you've selected the correct action before moving on. Finally, click block to confirm your choice. Once you do that, the person will be blocked in Google Chat. After blocking, they will no longer be able to continue messaging you in the normal way through that chat connection. And that's it. The process is very short. Once you know where to look, open the conversation, use the drop-down menu, choose blocking and reporting, select block only, and confirm by clicking block. If you ever need to manage your communication settings again, you can return to the conversation options in Google Chat and review your choices there.